Let me guess, you want to start your YouTube channel, you want to create some vlogs, some tutorials, or you are a teacher and you want to teach with videos like these. Or maybe you want to learn video editing just for fun, maybe you are a freelancer. Either way, you have to learn video editing and this course is for you. My name is Shafad Ahmed and I've been editing videos from past 8 years using Adobe Premiere Pro. Now Adobe Premiere Pro looks difficult in the start, but as you start learning and as you start using this software, you will realize how easy it is to use Adobe Premiere Pro because it's really flexible. There are a lot of tools, a lot of different templates available on the internet of Adobe Premiere Pro. In this course, I have tried to explain everything in the easiest possible way. You will also find practice files in the resource folder and you can practice along with the instructor. So if you want to learn video editing, simply enroll now and start learning. And yes, I've planned to make this course free of cost, but a lot of efforts that are required to put together a course like this. So if you think this course adds some value in your skill set or you want to support us, you can simply click on the link available in the resource folder. Even if you find problem installing your software of Adobe Premiere Pro, you can also approach Creativo and we will try to resolve your problem. That's it. This is Shafad Ahmed and I will see you in the course.